said no one has to know what we do. His hands are in my hair, his clothes are in my room, and his voice is a familiar sound. Nothing lasts.
Good morning, Flyers. Welcome back to the Early Bird. I'm your host, Griffin Yarmaloff. Alongside me, as always, you know him, it's Mr. Shea Curry.
Yeah, you know the drill. What's up, guys?
We have a great show for you today. We've got another guest worm in the stew, so let's not waste any more time and roll that beautiful intro. So starting this week in the cafeteria, a new program will be introduced which allows students to have a larger input on our school and dismantle some social boundaries here at FHS. These will be called Mix It Up Lunches. And back in the studio this morning to dive deeper into this new program is the Out of School Time Coordinator, Deron Hines. Welcome back. Oh, you okay? Welcome back to the show. How have you been since the last time?
I've been good, man. You know, being on the show last time, I actually gained some celebrity status from you guys. It's kind of rubbed off.
That's kind of our thing here. So I know I kind of gave a little summary myself, but can you put in your own words, what is these new Mix It Up lunches and what are their purpose?
So kind of what you said, right? So Mix It Up Lunch it's actually an international campaign. And this program seeks to encourage students to kind of jump out of their comfort zones and kind of pass some of the social boundaries that exist in high school.
Okay, so how would it work exactly? Is there like a certain section of the cafeteria?
Yeah, so we're going to have a section of the cafeteria, actually some community partners who are going to come in and be a part of these conversations. The goal is to help identify some questions that students might have, and again, to create connections between you guys and your peers.
Okay, so I'm assuming this project is very important to you personally. Tell me more about that.
So having conversations with students prior to this initial start of the program, it seems that there's some connection that has been kind of lacking this year, understandably so.
Yeah.
Coming back from COVID and whatnot, and walking around with all these masks on. So definitely the goal of this is to create a more cohesive student body.
Okay, so for students who want to get involved in this, what should they be looking for? What should they be doing?
So they'll be able to find me in the cafeteria if they have any more, in the cafeteria starting actually tomorrow. And if they have any questions that they would like to address or any concerns about the program prior to that, I'm located in the library in A104.
Fantastic. Well, this is going to be very interesting because I'm certain many students are going to want to have their voices heard through this program. Is there any other events going on throughout the school you want to quickly
Well,
announce?
there are a lot of programs, actually. We have a peer leadership program that's starting as well. We've actually started interviews for the program 2 weeks ago. And this program is kind of similar to the Mix It Up Lunch, where it's seeking to create, a more cohesive FHS community. So if you're interested in applying or hearing more about the peer leadership program, definitely connect with me. You could shoot me an email, or again, in passing in the hallway. I'm usually all over the place. So.
Got you. Well, Mr. Hines, thank you so much for coming on to the show and talking about the Mix It Up lunches coming tomorrow to the cafeteria. Thank you for coming on, and now live in the studio with the pledge is Mikey.
And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me, and I gladly stand up.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, Mikey. Anyways, Flyers, you know what time it is. Let's kick it over to the announcements.
Good morning, everyone. BSU will be having a meeting today at E204 from 2 to 3. Hope to see you there.
Good morning, Flyers. Hey, happy Monday. I just want to say, I think you look really good today, not going to lie. I also just want to let you know about the Acapella Club auditions that are having today. Or not today, actually, that's a lie. It's happening this Friday, December 17th in H104 at 2:15. Bailey will tell you more about it.
Yeah, and all you have to do to sign up is just go to our Instagram, tonal.eclipse, and sign up in the link in our bio. Thanks, guys.
See you there.
See you there.
Good morning, everyone. Today, Debate Club will be meeting in room E102 from 2:15 to 3:15, and we hope to see you there.
That's all for today's episode of The Early Bird. Remember, if you want to watch this episode of The Early Bird again, or Flyer News, as well as watch any episode you missed, you can come on our show. You can find them all on our Instagram bio at Freeman High Studios. Remember, right after this show concludes, we're going to have 2 hours of pool testing. I heard the lines have been getting pretty long lately, so make sure to get down there early once they call your last name, and because the early bird gets the worm. Have a good Monday.